Hi, I'm Klaus from Guitar Habits, and today I'm gonna teach you an easy version of Wicked Game by Chris Isaak. I'm first gonna play the song, and I'm gonna explain all the details. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We were on fire, but no one could see me but you. Strange what desire make foolish people do. And I never dreamed that I'd meet somebody like you. Like you. No, I wanna fall in love. No, I wanna fall in love with you. Wicked game to play, make me feel this way. What a wicked thing to do, let me dream of you. What a wicked thing to say, never felt this way. What a wicked thing to make me dream of you. I wanna fall in love. No, I wanna fall in love with you. Okay, so we got 3 chords in this song: a B minor, A major and E major. So we start out with the B minor. You can play the B minor with a bar chord. You can also play it like really easy. Well, easy as you can get. So you put your first finger on the high E string, 2nd fret, your second finger on the B string, 3rd fret, your 3rd finger on the D string, 4th fret, and your 4th finger, your pinky, on the G string, 4th fret. And you only strum the higher 4 strings. So you strum the D, G, B and high E string. So you don't hit the low E and the A string. Just the higher 4 strings. You can also play with a bar chord. What you do then is, instead of just putting your first finger on the high E string, the 2nd fret, you put your first finger across all the strings, all 5 strings, A, D, G, B and high E, and then you just touch the low E string with the tip of your index finger, so you mute that low E string, and just then you can hit 5 strings from A to the high E. Then you're muting that low E with your index finger. But that's not like easy for beginners. So if you're just a beginner, I recommend you just play this one. It's nice too. And if you're just a little bit further down the road, then you can play B minor in bar. Okay, so the B minor, 1st chord, 2nd chord, A major. So I play it with my, you can play it in different ways. There are different ways to play that A major chord, I play it with my second finger on the D string, 2nd fret, third finger on the G string, 2nd fret, and my forefinger on the B string, 2nd fret. So you get 3 fingers all on the 2nd fret. There are also people who play it like this, like with the first finger on the G string, 2nd fret, and then the second finger on the D string, 2nd fret, and the third finger on the B string, 2nd fret. And then there are people who play it like this. So you got 3 ways to do this. First finger on the D string, 2nd fret. Did I say that all right? Again, first finger on the D string, 2nd fret. Second finger on the G string, 2nd fret, and the third finger on the B string, 2nd fret. Just experiment with what you like most. I do it like this. So 2nd, 3rd, and 4th finger. Okay, that is out of the way. Then move on to the E major chord. First finger on the G string, 1st fret. Second finger on the A string, 2nd fret. And the third finger on the D string, 2nd fret. With the E major chord, you're allowed to hit all the strings. And with the A major chord, let's go back, you're not allowed to hit the low E string, just the higher 5th strings. So we got the B minor chord, first chord, hit the higher 4 strings. Then with the A major chord, you hit the higher 5 strings. And with the E major chord, you can hit all the strings. So just practice those 3 chords, like B minor, and move to A major, and then move to E major. So before you start practicing the song with the strumming pattern, which I'm about to explain, just go through those 3 chords for 5 minutes, or 10 minutes, just B minor, A, E, B minor, so you get comfortable with those chords. And then we're gonna go through the strumming pattern. The strumming pattern is just down, down, up, up, down, up. So it's one of the most basic strumming patterns and the most common strumming patterns in pop music. So you got 2 down strums, 2 up strums, upstrokes, and then down, up. Again, 2 down strums, 2 up strums, 1 down strum, 1 up strum. Down, down, up, up, down, up. I use a pick, I like that, to strum the strings with a pick. You can also use your thumb. Some play it with their, just go with the thumb, and you got a more soft attack. It's much warmer, but it's also softer. You get down, down, up, down, up. And then you can also play with the thumb and the index finger. So if you put your thumb and index finger against each other, and then you hit the downstroke with your index finger and the upstroke with the nail of your thumb. So the nail of the index finger down, to down, down, and up with the thumb. Up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. And move it with your wrist. Just see my wrist going. Don't play from your elbow, play from your wrist. Down, down, up, down, up. And make sure you only hit those higher 4 strings, no, or else it will be sounding like this. That's not beautiful. And then we go to the A chord. So it's just the B. So you got 1 complete strumming pattern, or 1 bar, 1 measure is down, down, up, down, up. So 1 measure for the B minor. Then also for the A major chord, 1 measure, down, down, up, down, up. And then we move on to the E major chord, and then we play 2 measures, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Again, B minor, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, E, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. The trick with playing songs, and first, especially when you're a beginner, your mind wants to first play the chord and then the strumming pattern. You need to let go of that. You need to play the chords and the strumming pattern simultaneously. So first, just practice the strumming pattern, and while you play it, try to play the chords while you're strumming. The strumming pattern is first, the chords are second. So just try to place those fingers on the strings while you're strumming along. So in the beginning, it's hard, you know. So if I make an example, it goes something like this. First you get your B minor chord and you go, and you go to the A chord and you're like, and you put your fingers on the strings while you're strumming, and then the E chord. And then you go to the B minor. And then to the A chord. And then the E chord. So it has to be both at the same time to lock it in. And while you do that, you will make progress, and then you will, those fingers are placing themselves on the strings faster and faster and faster. So just make sure you do it both at the same time. And then before you practice, as I mentioned earlier, just B minor and go A and E. Practice those chords just faster and faster. And when you practice the song, do it both at the same time. Strumming first and then placing the chords while you're strumming. Okay, let's do a little bit slow. Start off with the B minor. Count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and A major and E. 2 measures. And B minor. A major. B minor. We were on fire. A major. No one could see me. A major. And B minor. Strange what is that? Even A major. Big foolish people. E major. Do. Again, B minor. And I never dreamed. A and E. B minor. And I never dreamed. A that I lose somebody. E like you. And we're going to the chorus. B minor. No. A major, wanna fall E in love. B minor, no. A major, wanna fall E in love. Okay, I just noticed I add an extra sus4 to the E chord. So that's a nice touch to do that, to add that to your song. So when you're comfortable with playing the E major chord 2 measures, you can also do this. So what I do, I have the E chord and I put my forefinger, my pinky, I add it on the G string 2nd fret. So first down, down, up, down, and then you let go on the up again. Down, down, up, down, and let go. Okay. So that's a nice touch to, it's not a, you don't have to do that, but when you feel comfortable playing the song, you can add that to it. 3 chords, nice strumming pattern, basic strumming pattern that you can use for all kinds of songs. If you want to look at more songs, check out my blog guitarhabits.com, and I'll see you later for a next lesson. Bye.